Nhất xa sẽ hơi chính em đem cái chính nhập.
Hằng nghe lại phim ngay sẽ.
Bác có bài bên nghe. Nãy thì bro chính em nhìn hấp xin nhau cái tay pop. Bác cầm bà bà chungi.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat pinjasliang Omrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Habakren halor ka jingthmu ka sorkar ban pelong ya ka Shillong kum ka smart city u MLA kanong thamai constituency u ba Charles Pingrop u laong bahaban sotho ba kamut ayu ka smart city ulaong baka smart city ka day bandon ka umbam umdi ka babyang bat ka bakhoj ki jaka sumar ki babyang ka jingkho jingsuba ka surok ka babha ka jingbyang ki wifi ka jingbyang ki jingpenthaba bat ki weipat ki jingdon kam bat ki jingtai henrei hanong ba Shillong ulaong ba ki don bun bha ki jingduna wadla ka sarkar kalakam ba kala le bun ki AKA Uba Charles ulaong ba ka sarkar kadon kamban ti bnia bha ba kan lam hae ki jingduna kadnu ki kam kilayan bat ki ei ka ba ka habban khampale jingmut ban pen urlong ya kani ka jingkwa ban pelong ya ka Shillong kum ka smart city ulaong ba ka habban pe ru kumno ban lum ya ki jabo jaban na yeng ki brio bat kumta terter.
See, when we see Shillong smart city, what are the factors that comprise that to name it a smart city. One is safe drinking water. One is affordable public health care. One is clean sanitation. These factors, your proper roads, lighting, Wi-Fi connectivity, and there's so many other factors that constitute a smart city. Well, at the moment, I don't think we have reached the target of a smart city. I don't think so. Because you see the condition of the roads. Yes, recently the government spent almost 40 crores plus, which was even discussed yesterday, to resurface the roads. But today, I spoke in the House because there's some roads in my constituency which nothing has been done. They have been dug up to lay the pipes of the water pipes, but they have not been resurfaced. That is only what I see. What I don't see, other constituencies.
Do you feel that there is a need for an audit for this entire smart city project execution in Shillong?
Well, it will be good if they do an audit to find out what has actually been done, what is left to be done, and how do we do it. So that the government can have an audit. They can have an internal audit for that matter. Because everybody wants development. Now there may be some impediments, hurdles. So how do you overcome that? That the government have to sit and burn the midnight oil and discuss and debate about it. And fix accountability or responsibility or whatever you may to see that if there was any public money spent, was it judicially done so? That means accountability. That comes under accountability. That's
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, कैंडल्स, केक, डेफिनेटली balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो, फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.
Skoda.